Okay, so we get a lot of calls for spouses that aren't paying child support. That's probably the biggest one that we get most of the calls on. You can file what's called an enforcement, where you are actually asking that your spouse be enforced, or you enforce that decree. Let me start over.
Okay.
Crap. Okay, so we get a lot of calls regarding spouses who aren't paying child support. What do I do? One of the things you can do is file an enforcement action in the family law court, asking the court to enforce the court order that says that the spouse is supposed to be paying child support and the amount of child support they're supposed to be paying. So it's a matter of visiting with the client, filing the enforcement action, and in most instances you will get a court order that is ordering that spouse to do X, Y, or Z. There are some times, as it relates to child support, that you can actually ask that they be held in contempt of court and be fined and even put in jail, only for child support. You can also file enforcement actions to enforce them to move out of a house, to sell a particular asset or item, an enforcement action to pay off a debt that they were ordered to pay that they haven't done yet, and you would do all that through an enforcement action in the family courts.